Welcome to Auto Insider. The DTCP17AA transfer shift motor control circuit, broken down into simple parts. 1. What is the transfer shift motor? It's a small motor on the transfer case in for WD vehicles. It shifts the vehicle between to WD for WD high or for WD low. 2. What does code P17AA mean? The car's computer found a problem with the circuit wiring or control. That tells the shift motor what to do. The motor may not be working correctly or isn't getting the right signals. 3. Why does this happen? Causes: bad shift motor, worn out or stuck, broken or corroded wires, no signal or power, loose or dirty connectors, bad contact, faulty control module TCCM, sending wrong signals, mechanical issue, gears stuck in transfer case. 4. What will you notice? Symptoms: can't shift into for WD or to WD. Dashboard says service for WD or lights up. Strange sounds during shifting. Stuck in for WD or to WD. 5. How do you fix it? Check for loose wires and bad connectors. Use a scanner to check the code and monitor live data. Test the motor voltage and ground. Replace the motor if it's bad. Reprogram or replace the control module if needed. Repair any broken wires. 6. Helpful tip: always start by checking fuses and connectors before replacing parts.